stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my you can stand under my know that you can stand under my you can stand under my know that you can stand under my you can stand under my know that you can stand under my you can stand under my know that you can stand under my umbrella.
Hey guys, my name is Pia Lazario. I'm joined here with my best friend, Beth. If you've previously seen my videos before, you will know her. Once again, we're joined with our marvelous jiggly wine. So today's video, we thought we'd try to recreate James Charles' makeup look.
Which you'll be great at, but I won't because I could not do makeup.
So we're going to follow the James Charles makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette because it's the only palette I've got. Okay, you ready to start?
Yep.
For foundation today, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in the shade Y325.
So we started off by using the Makeup Forever foundation stick, but I'm going to be using the True Match by L'Oreal. And what are you going to be using?
I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour.
So, what do you think of James Charles' new merch?
I seen the black outfits. And they were quite cute and they were on different size models. That's what I remember seeing.
To be fair, I see where he's trying to go with it, like trying to go with the Instagram baddie kind of look.
Yeah, definitely.
I've been dying to get his new palette.
Yeah, definitely. It looks really good.
The colours. But then again, I'm not really like kind of a wild eyeshadow girl. I'm more...
Yeah, a lot of the colours are really like vibrant. So we finished our foundation.
So guessing he's going to be doing concealer next?
Yes.
Alright, so I just went ahead and applied my Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light and then blended it out.
He goes crazy contour.
So have you seen Lindsay Lohan's new show on MTV? Lindsay Lohan's Beach Club?
No. What happens on it? Is she still relevant?
On this show, she basically hires these group of like hot Americans to be like the what would you call them?
Like the bar staff type
The
thing.
rep. And basically it's just a lot of tea and drama and I'm all for it.
And you want to be on it. The famous egg that beat Kylie Jenner's most like photo of her and Stormy.
Why? What was so special about the photo?
Just people wanted to just make this egg more popular than Kylie Jenner.
Lately I've not been wearing like a lot of makeup, to be fair.
Yeah, I've been the same.
You know what? It's so nice to just indulge in your natural skin.
I mean, I don't really wear foundation unless we're going out.
I know. You've been doing it for a while though.
Definitely. I think it helps your skin so much.
Give
Your skin a bit of a break. You know.
I'm just
Are you okay?
deluded. That's disgusting.
It tastes like white wine because it's flat.
Because it's basically just white wine. Prosecco is like fizzy wine, right?
Yeah, so when it's flat, it's white wine.
We should make our own brand.
Of wine?
Yeah. We'll go to Spain and then we'll marry a man who owns a farm.
That has grapes on it.
Okay, so we're practically done our concealer now.
So for today, I am going to be using a new setting powder and this is the RCMA No.
This is why you use a foundation brush.
Yeah, but I haven't got one.
You're just gonna have to put foundation on top.
I need to wipe it away.
Oh, no you don't, you need to So obviously my best friend here, over here, right here, who's having a situation right there. As a meat lover, I read this article. It said, meat is bad for you. Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun, shop it. I learned it when I was 5.
This week I'm on a corn diet because
What am I meant to do?
so our face is currently baking. So we thought, you know, we'll have a little chit chat, have a singing break. So Denise, heard you got that new business. How you get that money?
I'm not gonna tell you, Deborah.
It's from your fucking husband.
Maybe my husband wants to invest in me, Deborah. Maybe yours is too busy with his mistress.
Well, nothing's changed, has it? You're always gonna be a gold digger.
Well, do you know what, Deborah? They always say you're not gonna get gold without digging. I heard Priscilla saw you on the corner of the street the other day.
So what? I'm selling myself. It's hard for me looking after these 6 kids of mine with every father leaving me.
Do you know why, Deborah? Do you know why?
Why?
Because, Deborah, you're a whore. This is what your pussy smells like. Sounds.
We've just done our baking and we're just gonna need to wipe it off.
Really, really nicely. It definitely is like pretty finely milled. Zeus and his club.
No, we don't have that. We don't have that. We're poor. You think we can do this with brushes like this? So now he's gone ahead and contour with his Kat Von D, but we don't.
In 2019, we're vaccinating our kids.
And I'm going to contour and chisel out my face.
Okay, me
The
too.
bristles on this are
Sometimes you gotta, like, you know, when you're overdoing it, you gotta like a slow and subtle.
Girl.
What? I mean, what?
Contour who?
Before we move on to baking, I'm going to quickly grab my T17. Also,
Wow, I thought you did baking.
baking. And just put a light wash of color on the cheekbones.
Oh, so now we're doing blush.
So we don't have a blush, but we have my iPhone 6.
Yeah, that you were taking the piss out of before.
So now we're going to go ahead and do our eyes. So he's using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing.
I'm first going to start by grabbing the shade Creamsicle on a Makeup Shack T70 brush, and I'm just going to buff this right into the crease.
He doesn't go like further out, he kind of just...
I am gonna have to do some serious skincare after this video.
Yellow to orange to
Right, so you use
red.
as a kind of
oh my god, these colors are
orange.
literally blending so...
So me and Beth are deciding to start the gym together. Kind of get our fitness back to...
Tone up, get our health back.
I'm next going to grab my T63 brush and dip into the shade Jax, and I'm going to put this right in that crease for a little pop of red.
Okay, so we're going to apply that. See, it's about kind of like incorporating his look to your own taste. So.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be exactly like his. Because no one's just gonna be exactly like his.
I know, it's just getting inspired.
Hi, okay. I'm going to dip back into Hunt with that T44 brush and just buff over those edges. I was not anticipating that.
Just blending it out, basically. He kind of like did it very precise.
Yeah.
And I kind of just blended mine. So I'm just going to put some concealer on my lid. You can use this one too. Done this.
I'm going to grab the same exact brush and dip into the slightest bit of Pool Party.
Oh!
I agree, James.
Done.
Move on to the lower lash line now. So I'm going to start off using the exact same shade of Twerk on the same T79 brush.
I love the blue lash line.
Then I'm going to grab that T44 brush one last time and dip into Jax. And 30 brush and dip into the shade Beam, which is this beautiful bright ass highlighting shade. And I'm gonna add
That's what we needed, honey. I've got individual eyelashes, so I don't need to put eyelashes on. But Beth's gonna put her eyelashes on, so we'll be right back. Now that she's got her lashes on, let's see what's next.
and I'm honestly really excited for that. For highlighter today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder.
Basically, he's just using like a peachy kind of highlighter, champagne-y, so I'm gonna go with this shade here. How many people have you cut off in 2019?
Oh, I did it in the end of 2018. I got prepared. How many of you?
Too many, like, you know when you...
That's a good thing though.
It's a good thing because you don't need fake ass friends. Especially the people that were around.
I think we've kind of cut off the same people though.
Definitely.
This look I'm going to pop on the shade PCH. Alright, so as a base I just applied the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Aquarius just to give the gloss something to like stick to and layer over top of. And now I'm going to reapply the shade PCH. I love how this looks. Oh my god.
I just think it's a nude. I mean, like, it's a nude, right?
It's a nude.
It's a nude. So we're just going to put a nude lip. Just go like that.
It's not showing up on mine.
That's the whole point because it's nude.
Okay, kinda.
Want to swap?
Mm-hmm.
So he basically just puts a gloss in the end. So I'm just going to put my favourite gloss. And you're going to put your favourite gloss.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love this.
A bit of a metallic moment. It was 50p from Primark.
Mmm. Come through, sale.
To finish off this look, I'm just going to drench my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
That's so good.
Alright guys, and this is the completed full face using all first impression glam. I'm honestly so alive for this look. I love it so freaking much.
Know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my you can stand under my know that you can stand under my